Ahoy, this is Zdenka. The popular DJI OM6 just got a whole bunch of new updates. You can now use your Apple Watch with a gimbal. There is also something new for parents with kids. They will really like that feature. Let's test it all in this video. DJI provided this gimbal, however, I'm not being paid for producing this video. For those who are not familiar with DJI OM6, it's a 3-axis foldable smartphone gimbal as big as my hand. It's ideal for travel. Maximum payload is 290 grams. When you unfold it, the gimbal automatically turns on. Then you just attach your smartphone with magnetic clamp and you are ready to shoot. It comes with a tripod. You can also purchase a DJI Mix separately that works with this gimbal. It has a built-in extension rod. There is a quick switch to portrait mode with this button. Just press 2 times. Now we are in portrait mode. Now we are in landscape mode. The gimbal modes are follow mode, tilt locked, locked mode, FPV, and spin shot. There is also a side wheel for zooming in and out in the DJI Mimo app. If you press the wheel one time, you can control focus with this wheel instead of zoom, so you can perform focus pull. The gimbal comes with 2 apps, DJI Mimo app and Light Cut. DJI Mimo has all the typical filming modes such as hyperlapse, time-lapse, dyna-zoom, slow motion, video, photo, panorama, parents and kids mode. That one is the new one. We will test it out. And story with many pre-designed templates. I see that there are many new ones added. You can film in automatic and manual mode. There are also shot guides that automatically recognize your scenario and recommend shot sequences. There are also AI-powered one-tap video editing and video editing templates. Lightcut app is the other one. Offers even more video editing options. There is also one-tap edit, Inspire Cam, where you can record clips or see even more filming templates. Or you can edit video by hitting a new project and selecting your clips. The video editor has new features as well, such as music, filters, effects, text, and stickers. So, what are the new features? Tracking had a massive update with Active Track 6.0. So now, when you are tracking a person, it will be centered. The following should be smoother. Also, if you have multiple people in a shot, it should not now jump from person to the other person. It should keep just tracking only that one person. And if you have obstacles in front of the subject, it should not lose tracking. Well, I will need help with that. I'll ask the family to help out. Animal tracking should be also improved now. Well, I've got a little Casper available, so let's test it on him. Let's move to another big update, and that's the ability to use your Apple Watch as the remote. Let me show you. Once you open up the DJI Mimo app, you will automatically see a frame preview on your watch. Right now, you are seeing the view from the front selfie camera. There is a record button, you can record videos. When you are in the photo mode, there is a 3 seconds timer, so you press the button, position yourself, the beep will alert you that the photo is about to be taken. Let's go back to video mode. You can enable tracking with this right icon. On the left is your joystick control. When you hit that, you are able to move the camera around. This icon will recenter the gimbal back to starting position. And this last icon at the bottom left is for switching between landscape and portrait mode. So now, when you want to film yourself with a rear camera to get better picture quality, I can just turn around the gimbal, see the preview on the watch, enable tracking, check here and there how the framing is. It's so much easier to do all this. So much easier. Truthfully, I never really filmed myself with the rear camera until now because it was bothering me that I couldn't see the preview. This changes everything. This is great for selfies, group photos, couple travel photography, group photos with friends and family, solo filmmaking, you name it. Let's finally talk about the new parents and kids mode. As a parent, I find this pretty cool. Once you enter this mode, as it says here, place the gimbal on a flat surface and make sure both parents and kids are in the frame. Tap the shutter button to start shooting a clip between 5 to 10 minutes. As it is recording, the gimbal will make several programmed moves. It will pan, it will go to vertical position, back again, and pan some more. Once the filming is done, and you can do several long clips, not just one, you just go to one tab Edit. The video will be automatically edited with the music and effects. You can change it to any other templates, edit it further. There are many options. I wish we had this when our kids were little. I'm almost in no videos because I was always the one recording the videos. All those fun little memories you're not gonna remember as much as a parent, you know, when the kids are growing. We have some videos of our kids when they're very little, but I wish I had a lot more. The videos will make those memories alive. You will keep them alive. Our kids always laugh so much when they see themselves as they were little. They don't remember all that, so these are very special moments. Well done, DJI, you've hit my soft spot. I think this is a great update. Parents will really like it. Thumbs up. A link to this gimbal can be found below the video in a video description for those interested. I know they included some new pricing for OM6. Check it out. What do you guys think? How do you like these updates? What do you think about DJI OM6 in 2024? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear your thoughts on this. I am personally very happy that they improved the tracking, the other two new updates, the parents and kids mode, and the ability to use Apple Watch as remote are unique features that other gimbals currently don't offer. I like that they were thinking outside of the box, bringing something different to the market. Give it a thumbs up if you found this video informative, and don't forget to subscribe for more. I have the whole playlist of DJI OM6 tutorials. I'm gonna link it below in a video description as well as here. See you there. Ciao. Ahoj.